Afternoon, my name is Trishita and my topic is MCCB and ELCB. Uh, what is ELCB? Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, it is a type of circuit breaker that is used for protection against leakage current. It breaks the circuit and disconnects the power supply to the load when it senses the leakage. The leakage can cause electrical shock that can be fatal. An ELCB is an electrical device used to directly detect currents leaking to earth from an installation and interrupt the power supply. This is the device of ELCB. It is a protective device that protects against earth leakage. Initially, the earth leakage breaker were voltage detection devices. Now they are switched to current sensing devices. Types of ELCBs. There are two types of ELCBs, voltage ELCB and current ELCB. Both the types of ELCBs detect the leakage current, but their sensitivity and level of protection they offer are different. Voltage ELCB was invented before the current ELCB. Voltage ELCB is based on the inferior to current ELCB. To avoid confusion, the ELCB is renamed as RCCB or RCD. Voltage ELCB. Voltage ELCB operates on voltage level between the earth and the body of the equipment. The voltage difference is used to detect the leakage current and instantly break the circuit. It has two terminals for both phase and neutral on both supply and load sides. It has two extra terminals that connect with equipment's body and earth. These terminals are actually connected with electromagnetic relay and they play a vital role in breaking the circuit during leakage current. This is the diagram of voltage ELCB where phase and neutral is connected to the source and in load there are three terminals, phase, neutral and earth. Earth is connected to the load for electromagnetic relay and it plays a vital role in it. Now we will see the working principle of voltage ELCB. One of the terminal of relay is directly connected to earth while the other terminal is connected to the body of the equipment. The coil can sense the voltage difference between the earth and the body of the equipment. Therefore, the earth connection is necessary as the relay only operates when the leakage current flows through it. If the current leaks through other parts of the circuit and flows through any other underrated path, it will not break the circuit as the current must flow through relay in order to break the circuit. Now we'll know current ELCB. Current ELCB it is also known as RCD, residual current device, or RCCB, residual current circuit breaker. It is another type of ELCB that breaks the circuit upon sensing any leakage current. It also operates on the circuit difference between phase and neutral line. It has four terminals, two inputs and two outputs for a phase and a neutral. The phase in and neutral in are connected to the supply and phase out and neutral out are connected to the load. It doesn't have the extra terminal for other connections. And this is the diagram or connection of current ELCB. Now we'll know the working principle. The RCCB working is based on the current imbalance between the phase and neutral line. It continuously monitors the phase and neutral current. Under normal condition, both phase and neutral current are equal, but it is same current flow back through the load. If the current leaks through any underrated path, the neutral current reduces and causes imbalance. RCCB works on the principle of Kirchhoff's current law. According to this, amount of current flowing through the load through the hot wire is equal to the amount of current leaving the load through the neutral wire. The difference between two currents is known as residual current, and it should be zero. If there is difference, then current is leaking somewhere that causes imbalance. RCCB includes a zero sequence current and transforms as three coils: phase coil, neutral coil and surge coil. If the currents are equal, as should be normal condition, the resultant flux will cancel out each other and there will be no indeed current in surge coil. Now we'll know MCCB, and the full form of MCCB is molded case circuit breaker. MCCB are electrical devices that offer protection against fault current. They use different medium to safely extinguish the arc, such as air, coil, SF6 or vacuum. MCCB or molded case circuit uses air as dielectric medium to break a circuit. Air has a dielectric strength as opposed to other medium. That is why it is used for protection in low voltage circuit. Construction of MCCB. This is the construction of MCCB, and parts of MCCB are arc, contacts, operating mechanism, terminal connector, thermal trip unit, magnetic trip unit, handle or trip free mechanism, trip button. Now we'll know what are the types of MCCB. There are 4 types of MCCB, and the first type is type B MCCB. These MCCB trips at current 3 to 5 times. Its rated current with tripping time of 0.04 to 13 seconds. There are second most sensitive types of MCCB after Z type, as they can tolerate very small surges. It must not be used in places where normal low surges. Type C MCCB. Such MCCB trips at current surges 5 to 10 times. Its rated current with tripping time of 0.04 to 5 seconds. As they can tolerate higher surges than type B, they are used for small inductive loads such as small motors, transformers and electromagnets used in industries. Type B MCCB. Type D MCCB trips at current 10 to 20 times. Its rated current with tripping time of 0.04 to 3 seconds. They can tolerate higher surges, therefore they are used for highly inductive loads having very high inrush current, such as large electrical motor in industries. The last one is type K MCCB. Type K MCCB trips at 10 to 12 times. Its rated current with tripping time of 0.04 to 5 seconds. They are used for inductive loads such as motors with high inrush currents. Thank you.